Hello everyone, it's Yannick's on the move. So I decided to start a YouTube channel also to give daily updates and to post what the situation from the Kruger or Ngwenya is. Unfortunately still can't go into the Kruger. Woke up this morning with lots of rain throughout the night, also the rain falling. So yeah, definitely also sad to see that the water levels have increased again. Also received a message from Ngwenya asking the residents just to be cautious. The pathways and the paving has also shifted a little bit as the ground saturation levels has also increased. So ja, ons is bietjie rustig vanoggend. Gaan maar net 'n lekker koppie koffie op die stoep geniet. And we'll see how the day goes. But I thought maybe just to post this to let you guys know this is the current situation. The weather is still lekker. Ons kry daarom nie koud nie. Die weer is steeds lekker, maar ja, dit is sad om te weet, but we also did know it is going to rain today and they are also expecting rain tomorrow. So our goal in mind is hopefully from Monday it can clear up so that we can go back into the Kruger. Also saw a photo today posted from Ngwenya that the bridge, the lower water bridge, is still overflowing. There's still no entry into the Kruger, so we are just keeping all the links and pages to see if we can see any new updates. But this is the situation today. So this video is taken 17 Jan, 9 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, we'll post another video later today. Thanks everyone for commenting, for liking, for tagging people. Yeah, as I mentioned, please go have a look out on YouTube. Also just started a channel there, so it will be good if you guys can follow me there, and then I can post more information regarding the situation. Dankie almal, lekker dagie. Groete van Ngwenya. Bye.